Everybody back with another review. This would be a Les Paul, Epiphone Les Paul special. And this is a limited edition. Worn black. P90 pickups. Your pickup selector down here. It's worn black, but it's almost like a brown. Bolt-on neck. It's just $169. The action is pretty decent. I think the frets aren't the greatest. I'll have to deal with that, I guess. So this one will probably go back because it looks like, I don't know if you can see it. Almost looks like there's a crack in the neck right in through here. See that? Looks like it's cracking. So I guess this one will have to go back. And hopefully the next one that comes in will be better. I mean, it doesn't sound bad. But this one is obviously defective. So this one will be going back, I suppose. Hopefully the next one will be in better shape. Never had a guitar come cracked with the headstock. It's actually on both sides. Really see that. So who knows? Could have been the package was, dropped by FedEx or something, but I'll review another one as soon as I get it. This one will be going back, but for sound and playability, it's a nice guitar, worth the money. So stay safe.